Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with Blowfin, absolutely amazing exchange that I've actually been trading on myself for the past 2 weeks or so. Sign up with my link below in the next week and get a 10% deposit coupon for futures trading. Amazing opportunity to get yourself involved in the markets risk-free. That one trade might be the one that makes you your first 100x gain in cryptocurrency. Always like to reward my community with the best opportunities that I can find. Also make sure to get involved with BTCC and Mexi, who are also offering some big sign up bonuses and competitions. All the links are in the description below and they'll give you some free goodies, so make sure to get involved down below with all of those. So just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame, as we can see, still very much heading down in our channel to the downside, but in line with the rest of the crypto market. Looking like Polygon is potentially about to get some relief to the upside. A lot of our cryptos have been closing outside of their resistance downtrend line, as you can see. Polygon, however, still incredibly bearish and hasn't had the strength to break out of this level here, but I do think that we could get ourselves a nice break to the upside soon, in line with the rest of the crypto market. Obviously Bitcoin's been chopping the altcoin market to absolute pieces, and Polygon has been absolutely destroyed recently in terms of its price action. We can see it's just been going down and down and down. Very, very clear macro bearish downtrend that we've been seeing, and that's probably down to, like I said in previous videos, the fact that it had a pretty promising bear market where it didn't really drop. Obviously then we came into that big bearish period for Bitcoin where it was going sideways. We got that pump to the upside, and then obviously that was the final pump for Polygon, clearly, because since then we've just been down, 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 losing support like a beast, people selling off, lots of leverage positions continuously getting liquidated. Overall, Polygon recently has been an absolute falling knife, and it has been slicing up people that have been trying to get into it. But overall, I do think Polygon could have a recovery in the long term. The short term, obviously, looking extremely bearish right now, and we need to wait for the whole market cycle to clearly turn bullish again before we see what happens next with Polygon. Obviously, it previously turned around very, very quickly for a nice, what was this, 2.5x, 3x off the lows. So we know that in crypto these things can happen, but right now Polygon, as I said, just looking extremely bearish and really just falling off the edge of a cliff. We'll have to see what happens next. Can we get that recovery back up towards the 30-cent area here? That's what we need to be seeing, the breakout here, consolidation, and slowly heading back up towards 30 cents. That's really what we need to be seeing for Polygon. Let's see if Bitcoin will allow us some relief. Thanks a lot for joining me again today on another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up with Blowfin for the bonus. BTCC for a massive bonus on sign up as well. Get involved with our other exchange partnerships for free sign up bonuses, and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.